Next, the second question is about y-axis. That is, y-axis is nothing but a minor axis. That is, what is the equation of ellipse? The ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So about y-axis. So about y-axis is nothing but what is the volume formula? The volume formula is equal to integral from a to b pi x square into dy. dy. So here that this is an ellipse. We need to find that this ellipse revolving this ellipse. This is a 0 to b. This is 0 to minus b. So the limits are minus b to b. And here written as a pi x square. From this point, from this equation, we need to get x square is equal to So therefore, we get that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. ఇది ప్లస్ ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది మనకు మైనస్. దట్ ఈస్ we get that 1 minus b square by a square. సో దీనికి మనకి ఎల్సిఎం ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే మనకు ఈ b స్క్వేర్ అనేది ఎల్సిఎం అవుతుంది. మనకి ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది అంటే క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 1 into b square minus y square by b square. This is x square by a square. So therefore from that we get that x square is equal to a square into b square minus y square by b square. So we get that x square is equal to a square by b square into b square minus y square. And next this is taken as 1 and this is taken as 2. And here we written as y-axis, and the limits are, what are the limits? Y is equal to minus b, y is equal to b. Therefore the value is equal to, what is the formula? That is integral from minus b to b pi into y square into pi into x square into dy. So therefore we get that integral from minus b to b pi x square. What is that x square? A square by b square into b square minus y square into dy. So this is a constant taken as an outside. We get that pi into a square by b square integral from minus b to b square minus y square into d. So b square equal to constant. This is a constant is also the even function. So the constant is also even function and y square is a even function. So therefore b square minus y square is also even function. So if you write that minus a to a f of x into dx, okay. So up to this part we explaining that x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. About y-axis. About y-axis అంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే పై x square into dy. సో ఇచ్చిన ఈక్వేషన్ నుంచి నాకేం కావాలంటే x square is equal to అని రాయాలి. సో దానికి బేసిక్ కన్వర్షన్ ప్లస్ ఉంది, ప్లస్ ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తుందంటే మైనస్ అవుతుంది. జస్ట్ ఎల్సిఎం చేస్తా. సో బై ఉంది, డివైడెడ్ బై ఇటు సైడ్ వస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే ఇంటూ అవుతుంది. What we get, finally we get that x square is equal to a square by b square into b square minus y square. And we written as a formula, that is a pi x square into dy. Limits are minus b to b. We just we substitute, and this is a constant. Constant is also even function, and y square is a even function. The difference of two even function is also the even function. Okay, that is integral from minus a to a f of x into dx. This is 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x into dx. When f of x is the even function. So we know that b square minus y square is also the even function. It can be written as pi into a square by b square into 2 into integral from 0 to b square minus y square into d. So therefore we get that 2 pi into a square by b square. Integration of this part, that is integral from 0 to a b square, integral from 0 to b square minus y square into d. We written as a basic one, that is integration of k into dy, that is a ky, and integration of that formula y power n, that is nothing but a y power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is a basic one. So we get that 2 pi into a square by b square. This part, b square, the b square is nothing but a b square into y minus y square, nothing but a y cubed by 3. And the limits are 0 to b. Substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. We get that 2 pi into a square by b square. Upper limit b, that is b square into b minus b cubed by 3. Lower limit, that is b square, that is b square into 0 minus 0 cubed by 3. This value becomes to 0. Therefore we get that 2 pi into a square by b square into b cubed minus b cubed by 3 minus 0, 2 pi into a square by b cube. And if we are simplify this one, we get that 3b square b cubed minus b cubed by 3. This is equal to 2 pi into a square by b square into 2b cubed by 3. This is 2 and this 3. So will be cancelled. We get that 4 pi a square b by 3. That is nothing but 4 by 3 pi a square b. Okay. So we do that. This is a basic formula, that is integral from minus a to a f of x into dx. That is integral 2 into integral from 0 to a f of x into dx. When f of x is an even function. This is a even function. This can be written as a 2 into integral from 0 to b square minus y square into d. Apply the basic formula, that is k into dy and ky, and y power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. After that integration, we substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. What is the upper limit? The upper limit value is equal to b and the lower limit value is equal to 0. After simplification, we do that LCM here. The LCM is 3. So we get a 3b cubed minus b cubed, that is nothing but 2b cubed by 3. After simplification, finally we get that 4 by 3 pi a square b. So ఇక్కడ మనకి రెండు వస్తాయి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఏం ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అంటే ఒకటి x యాక్సిస్ అంటే మేజర్ యాక్సిస్. సో x యాక్సిస్ అని ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫార్ములా ఏది అంటే ఇంటెగ్రల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ a to b పై y స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ dx. అదే y యాక్సిస్ అని ఇచ్చినాడంటే ఏమొస్తుందంటే దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ మైనర్ యాక్సిస్. ద ఫార్ములా ఈస్ ఇంటెగ్రల్స్ ఫ్రమ్ a to b పై x స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ dy. ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లాన్ని దాంట్లో కన్వర్షన్ చేసుకోవాలి. కన్వర్షన్ చేసి లిమిట్స్ అప్లై చేయాలి. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసి లిమిట్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో ఇవి మనకి బేసిక్ ఫార్ములాలు. ఆ ఫార్ములా బేస్ చేసుకొని సింప్లిఫై చేయాలి. Okay. The next question is find the value of solid generated by revolving the area bounded by the curve. What is the curve? The curve equal to x square root x plus root y is equal to root a. So this is a curve. Root x plus root y is equal to root a, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. So y equal to 0 is nothing but it is an x-axis. X equal to 0 is nothing but it is a y-axis. About the first question is y-axis and the second one is x-axis. Here that what is the main curve? The main curve is root x plus root y equal to root a. This is a curve. So we need to find for the first question about y-axis. That is the first one about y-axis. Okay. So about y-axis, the solution is about y-axis. About y-axis. About y-axis nothing but the value is equal to integration from a to b pi x square. The y is equal to a and y equal to b. These are the limits. X square into d. That means first we need to find the limits and next we need to find the x square. And about y-axis. So first, what is the first one? Find the limits. Find boundaries of y. Boundaries of y. So y-axis is nothing but x equal to 0. So from root x plus root y is equal to root a. X equal to 0. That is nothing but we substitute that x equal to 0 plus root y equal to root a. Therefore root y equal to root a. From that y is equal to a. Y is equal to a. And one limit value is a, another boundary is 0. Therefore, what are the boundaries? The boundaries equal to y equal to 0 and y equal to a. These are the boundaries. Okay. And how to find that x square? From this is our from root x plus root y is equal to root a. You need to find that x square. You need to find that x square. So therefore, root x equal to root a minus root y. It is plus only, instead of the minus only. So remove root, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. We get that x equal to root a minus root y whole square. This is a square, that is nothing but a minus b whole square. Root a whole square plus root y whole square minus 2 into root a into root y. So finally we get that x a plus y minus 2 root a into root y. This is equal to x. But we need to find that x square. We need to get that x square. Okay. How to get that x square? So this is nothing but a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square? Okay. So space I will do that. Okay. First we do that. We explain that about y-axis. About y-axis is nothing but what is the we written as a basic formula, that is v equal to integration from a to b pi x square into dy. We need to find the first boundary. What is the boundary here? That is y axis is nothing but x equal to 0. So we substitute that x equal to 0. We get that y is equal to a. So if there is y limit y equal to a, so under limit is taken as y equal to 0. The boundary is below the water. So y equal to 0 and y equal to a. And from 1 we need to get x square. First root x equal to root a minus root y. Squaring on both sides, we get that x equal to a plus y minus 2 root a into root y. And next we need to find x square. Next we need to find x square. Okay. So the x equal to a plus y minus 2 root a. Root a into root y nothing but 2 root a. We need to find that x square. This is nothing but a plus y minus 2 root of a y whole square. And this one is a plus b plus c whole square. What is the formula? A plus b plus c whole square. This is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. This is the formula. That is a plus b plus c whole square nothing but a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. So therefore, we written as that is x square equal to a square plus y square plus c value equal to minus 2 root ay whole square plus 2ab 2ab plus 2bc 2bc plus 2ca. So therefore we get that a square plus y square plus minus 2 whole square nothing but plus 4ay. Square root will be cancelled and plus 2ay 2 into 2 minus 4 root a into y into root y. That is nothing but root ay. Root a into root y minus 4 into root a into root y. So therefore we get that x square is equal to a square plus y square plus 4ay plus 2ay minus 4 root a into y power of this value is equal to y power of 3 by 2. And this is nothing but 4 a power of 3 by 2 into root y. A root a into root a, that is nothing but a power of 3 by 2. Y into root y, nothing but y power of 3 by 2. So how we get this one? That is y into root y, that is nothing but y into root y can be written as y power of 1 by 2. We get that y power 1 into y power of 1 by 2. We get that if the bases are equal, then we add the power y power of 1 plus 1 by 2, that value is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore, this value equal to this one. And we do that integration. That is to be written as a basic formula. That is a v equal to pi into what are the limits? The limits are 0 to a. X square into d. X square into d. So what is the value of x square? This is a 1. Take it as this is a 1. This is 2. Substitute 2 in 1. Substitute 1 into. Substitute 1 in. So I write this one. We get that v equal to pi into integral from 0 to a x square. What is the value of x square? A square plus y square plus 4ay. 4ay plus 2ay. This is equal to plus 2ay. 4ay plus 2ay nothing but 6ay. This is nothing but 6ay. Minus 4 root a into y power of 3 by 2. Minus 4 a power of 3 by 2 into root 1 into d. That is a pi into, we do that integration. This is equal to a square into y. This is nothing but y cubed by 3. This is nothing but y power n. The y power n is nothing but y power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus 6a into y square by 2 minus 4 root a into y power of 3 by 2, nothing but y power of 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1, that is y power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And next minus 4 power of a by 3 by 2 into y power of 1 by 2. You see nothing but 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2. That is nothing but a root y, nothing but a y power of 1 by 2. We do that integration. In that integration, a square is a constant. Integration of d by nothing but a y. Y power n. Y power n nothing but a y power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. This is nothing but a 1 here. Y power of 1 y square by 2. And y power n. Y power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. And next root y. Root y is nothing but a y power of 1 by 2. Y power of 1 by 2 is nothing but y power n formula. Y power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. So therefore, that is we find that x square. After that x square, we substitute this x square in that equation and we do the integration. And the integration, the limits are 0 to a. So here that lower limit value equal to 0. So the y. So therefore the lower limit value equal, that is upper limit minus lower limit. The lower limit equal to 0. Lower limit equal to 0. The upper limit equal to a. So we substitute that integral from 0 to a. So we get that pi equal to a square into a plus a cubed by 3 plus 6a into a square by 2 minus, this is nothing but 8 by 5 into root a into, this is y power, nothing but a power of 5 by 2 minus 4a power of 3 by 2 into a power of 3 by 2. This is nothing but 8 by 3 minus 0. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Lower limit value equal to 0. So we substitute y equal to 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. The lower limit value equal to 0. And we simplify that pi equal to a into a. a cube a into a square a cube plus a cubed by 3 plus 6 a cubed by 2 minus 8 by 5 into root a into a power of 5 by 2. Nothing but this is nothing but a power of 1 by 2 into a power of 5 by 2. That is nothing but a cube minus 8 by 3 into 6 by 2. That is nothing but a cube. So we simplify this part. The simplification of this one we get a cube, and we simplify this part we get that a cube. So finally what we get that 2 1 jar 2 3 jar pi equal to 4a cube 3a cube 1a cube 4a cube minus 8 by 5 a cube minus 7 by 3 a cube. That is 1 minus 8 by 3. 1 minus 8 by 3 nothing but 7 by 3. And we simplify. We get that 5 into a cube will be taken as a common. We get that 4 minus 8 by 5 minus 7 by 3. 4 minus 8 by 5 minus 7 by 3. So therefore, we simplify this part. We get that pi a cube into, and the LCM equal to 15. We get that 60 minus 24 minus 35 by 15. So finally we get that pi a cube by 15. That is 959. 60 minus 59 we get 1. Pi a cubed by 15. So here what we get that we get v equal to pi integral from 0 to a x square into dy. We find that x square, that is nothing but what the value of x square? A square plus y square plus 6ay minus 4 root a y power of 3 by 2 minus 4a square into root y. We do the integration and we substitute that upper limit minus lower limit. The upper limit value equal to a and the lower limit value equal to 0. So this is the upper limit value 0. That is the lower limit value equal to 0 here. And we substitute that and we simplify this part and we get that 4 minus 8 by 5 minus 7 by 3 and we simplify. We get that pi a cubed by 15.